Hello everyone, today I would like to show you NGTeco indoor security smart cameras. They are C200 and C300. Let's open all these boxes and see what they can do for a lovely home. Alright, look, they all have one camera, quick start guide, power adapter, micro USB cable, and some screws. But what's the difference between these two models of cameras? As you see, C200 just stands on the table, and its lens looks like a ball that can be rotated up and down, left and right. And you also can feel that there is motor inside, so I believe its lens angle can be controlled remotely. But C300 is different. Its lens only can be rotated manually, like this, and it is fixed by clip. Okay, now I'm going to test C200. I will show you how to connect it to the app and what functions it can achieve. The app name is NGTeco Home. You can download it from App Store or Google Play. In the first time you open this app, you need to enroll an account through your phone number or email address. But I have done it before, so just skip that. Look at here, it's an add device option. Tap it and find out this camera. Select it. It shows that we should reset the device first. So now I should insert the power cable. And it will rotate itself to restore the direction. Then you can hear a beep and a voice prompt.
Wait for Wi-Fi config.
If you couldn't hear that, you should long press this reset button for 5 seconds. Let's go to next. Now you need to connect the Wi-Fi for this camera. But please note that it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi but not 5 GHz. Then select your home Wi-Fi and input the correct password here and confirm. Alright, it's connected. You should let the camera scan the QR code on your phone. The distance is about 15 to 20 centimeters.
Connect router.
Okay, I just heard a voice prompt, so we go to next and wait for the connecting.
Connect internet.
Alright, it's done. Now you can monitor the image of camera. Look, it is very clear. And you can take a screenshot, speak to the camera side, record the video, play back the video, check the cloud storage, change the direction, set the alarm, and check the photo album. Direction should be the function that C300 doesn't support. Let's try it. Look, when I press different direction keys, the camera will turn to the corresponding direction by itself. Tap the button of the upper right corner to check the other details. Here you can change the picture name, and location of this camera. And check the device information here. Set the tab to run an automation. There are some basic function settings inside. They are flip screen, time watermark, and talk mode. It supports one-way communication and two-way talk. It also supports IR night vision. IR means infrared. It selects auto in default, so let's turn it to on. Now you can see the display color change to black and white, so even in the dark environment without much light, this camera still can get a clear image. Okay, we go back to check the rest parameters. Detection alarm settings. You can turn on the motion detection alarm and motion tracking and set a schedule for them. It also supports face recognition, VAS, and offline notification. You can read FAQ and do some feedback here for resolving the issue you faced. NGTeco has different types of IoT products, such as Smart Bump, Smart Plug, Smart Camera, Voice Doorbell, Alarm Security Kit, and Smart Lock. I wish I could have them all to improve my life. So, that's all I want to share with you, and I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.